So your Delica's headlights, tail lights, brake lights, interior lights, dash lights, hazards, etc. stop working on you. Well, here's where I started. Pulled my fuse panel loose. And you might be able to see there's a large white wire with a red stripe in it. And that powers the first 4 fuses here on the block. And that does your hazards, interior lights, headlamps, tail lamps, etc. Notice, light's not on. Dome light's not on. And mind you, I do have the headlights turned on. Nothing. So that large white wire that supplies power, white with red stripe, starts here at the battery box. You've got the male-female terminals in here, and if you got power on the outside end here, here's your large white with red stripe wire. You got power there, follow it. Here's the next connection on it. As you can see, this had gotten hot and it was brittle, so I just kind of cracked it open so you can see that's where things have melted down. So I'm going to pull this apart, probably get rid of this guy and put another connector in there, and should have no problem with lights after that. Let's see if I wiggle this and get the door lights, dome lights to flash. Yeah. So, I guess it's a common issue. Here's the source of the problem right here. At least in this van, that's where it started.